Mm. Hi teacher, my name is Oscar Ivan Perez and study an engineering and industry. I live in Duitama city. I study in SEAD Duitama. My opinion of the positive and the negative effects and the technology everything considered and the negative effects I have generated great consequence on the planet, such on the pollution of the atmosphere and the sources thermal power plants that burn fossil fuels, the successive waves of the cars which cause of the greenhouse effect, only is the using which and in control of the destruction of the forest and the museum fjords are nothing big. Think to the methane damage that the mining on the planet. Mm, the planet, this on the forming and the growth on the economy, that the massive sale of the vehicles, that increment on the industry, that the contamination on the land which fertilizes on order on the joints, the process and the agriculture, and finally increment, holding to the finish that in only speed are facts that there mm, mm, that the technology everything and elements health improvement facility on the lives. Uh, how do you see on the environment future? I believe that in the future temperatures in the rising that the glacial poles and feel apart, millions of the animals in space are disappearing natural resources and bigger delay to the in the control the human consumer. Uh, how do you everything damage? How do you use the plastic prevent in the sexting of the finish that the care more and because water is brown in the thing? Thanks.